people, welcome back, and welcome back. I noticed that some of you are fans of origami. Not that I don't enjoy doing origami, which is Japanese folding paper, but I kind of suck at it, to be honest with you. I can make a crane, with no problem because I'm Japanese. Japanese people can make a crane with paper. It's just in our genes. A few of you wrote in the comments that you wanted me to do more origami, so I have this book right here. Check this out, guys. Now this, if you watch the Daiso video, that I did with Vin, this is one of the things that I purchased at that Daiso store. So this they're selling at Daiso, and I think this is a perfect gift, especially for origami lovers. First of all, it's only about $1. It's approximately $1, so it's really, really cheap. And it's bilingual instructions, and it includes directions in both Japanese and English. Includes origami that you cut out. So this is the actual origami that you would use. You see? And that's what you'll be making with this right here. And these are your clear bilingual instructions. So I figured this cannot be too difficult, especially because I'm going to be starting off with the first one. And what I'm going to be making today is a chopstick rest. By the way, in Japanese, today's Japanese lesson, chopstick rest in Japanese is hashi oki. Hashi means chopsticks. Oki means something to put something on. So chopstick rest is hashi oki. So if you want a chopstick rest at a restaurant, you would say hashi oki kudasai. But then I don't know who would ever want to say that at a restaurant. Never mind, let's get to the origami, shall we? So these are some of the other things that you can make with this booklet. This is what we're making today, the chopstick rest. You can make these other table accessories. These are envelopes right here for letters, I guess, and these are boxes that you can use to put away paper clips and accessories. Good for tidying up your desk, that's what it says. And these are the detailed instructions on what the diagrams mean. And this is what we're making today, this chopstick rest right here. We're going to be making this. So this is a piece of paper. So I guess you can make 4 chopstick rests with this, right? I guess that's what it means. Yeah, I think so. What do you guys think? Alright, so we're going to cut this piece of paper off, cut this into 4, and I'll make one of these, okay? Which one should I make, guys? Should I go for the gray, that red orange, the yellow, or the green? Which one? Choose. Which one do you think I'll choose? Guess in 3, 2, 1. Red. Yeah, this red orange one. Yeah, always go for the bright colors. So I cut this part off, and I'm gonna divide this into 4. Okay, so here we are. Since I'm only going to be making one, I'm going to be making the red-orange colored one. This is what we're going to be using. So let's put this to the side. And it says the instructions are on page 25. So let's go to page 25. Page 25, where are you? Okay, here we are. This is page 25. So these are the instructions. So it says to cut it, so that's what we did. Number 2, it says to fold it in half. So I guess this would be this side or this side. I'm thinking, I don't know, that's confusing. Wait, let's go back to that picture. Alright, so I think this is the main design here, so I figure, you know what? I'm just gonna guess. I think this is how you do it. So you fold it in half. Sorry guys, really not that good at origami, but I'm gonna do my best. So I'm gonna fold this in half, and it says to fold it in half again. So That's what we'll do. Fold it in half like that. And then it says to open it again. So that's what we'll do. And then I guess that means to fold it towards the center. Fold both sides towards the center. So we'll do that. Like that. And this side. Like that. And then it says to open it again. So we'll do that. And then we're going to fold the corners to the, what? Okay, that has to turn into that. Okay, I think I know how to do that. So we're going to fold this inwards, and then we're going to, yeah, I can do this, Open it like this. Yep. Whoops, that's not straight. Let's get this straight, you know? If you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right. Okay, same thing on this side. Like that. Okay, what do you think? That looks okay? All right, number 7. Number 8. It says, rolling fold the top layer as shown. Repeat for the reverse side. Rolling fold the top layer. What? Okay, so how, oh, I see, okay. I have to do this. I have to fold this to the back like this. Okay, now I'm going to roll fold the top layer as shown. So it looks like that. Okay, so it looks like it's folded into 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah? Okay, I think that's correct. Repeat on the other side. So that's 1, 2, and no. Wait, do it nicer. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Open between the layers as shown with the arrow, then press the top to flatten a little. Open between the layers as shown with the arrow. Okay. And then it says to press down up here. And I press down. Ah! I did it. I think I did it. Oh, hey, that wasn't too bad. And that's actually kind of nice. Look, guys, here's my chopstick holder. Let me get a pair of chopsticks to test them out. Going to put my chopsticks on like that. Hey, I did it, guys. Check it out. That's my chopstick holder. Not my chopstick holder, my chopstick rest. That looks pretty nice. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Whoops. Pretty happy with, that's so small. But pretty satisfied with what I made. Pretty satisfied with my chopstick rest. What do you think? You know, I'm pretty happy with this chopstick rest. I think it looks pretty cool. And I don't know, I mean, it intimidated me at first. I know it looks really simple, and it must be really simple for a lot of you guys who are origami professionals. But this one was definitely doable, and I actually like that it's practical and you can use it for an actual chopstick rest. I hope you guys didn't find this video boring. If you actually enjoyed it and you want to see me challenge myself to making more origami things from this book, let me know and I'll do another one for you guys. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great week. Bye bye.